Now, madam, he's been a very good friend to you, and he is a thoroughly decent person. I can tell from everything he says and because of the quality of your friendship. The fact is, you feel morally that you owe him this money. There's no doubt in my mind about that either.
Very true.
Lawrence, you're a thoroughly decent man and a very good friend to Delilah. Delilah says that, and she's thoroughly honest in her reply here, that she's taken money and wishes to give you it back. There were two sums. The first sum you lent was for £2,000. At the time you lent that money, there was nothing in writing. Now, because the two of you are friends, you'll be aware that the court has to imply that in the event she didn't pay you back that £2,000, there was no intention to create legal relations. In other words, neither party intended that you'd sue each other. That's what happens with friendships. The way that you rebut that presumption is by putting something in writing. Otherwise, you don't have an enforceable agreement. Now, there may have been one here, but the terms of the agreement, the verbal agreement, were quite clear, which is Delilah said, I'll pay you back when I am in a position to do so. The fact is, she's not been in a position to do so, even today. That applies to the £2,000 as it does to the second sum that you lent of £2,499.93. The reality being that because nothing's in writing, there's nothing in law which gives you the legal bite for me to say, she now has to pay you back. I can't give an award, make an order. It's not an enforceable contract. For that reason, at this stage, I'm afraid I have to dismiss your claim. But I do so with regret because the two of you are quite clearly in a position where this money is affecting your friendship. In respect of the £2,000, I would invite you to draw up an agreement of some description, an undertaking. That agreement would require you to give an amount back each month. Do you see? An amount that you agree that you can afford. In the event, if it's both signed, that she does not pay that sum back to you regularly or over a period of time, then you can bring this matter back to court. Do you see? Case is dismissed. I'm grateful for the way you've brought this case. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Lawrence's claim was dismissed and he was awarded nothing by the court. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
It's very helpful to clear the air.
Oh, I'm so happy because, you know, this would be the way to do it, actually, and I hope we can work something out.
And there's a plan there. It gives us a way forward that hopefully will put that money issue into some kind of containment.
I'm really happy with this ruling. I can pay Lawrence back, and there is no ruin in the friendship. I'm really, really happy. And
Oh,
I'm really
that's good.
hoping it's not affecting us.
No, our friendship must go on. I think that's
Definitely.
And I walk the dogs tomorrow.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.